Hi everyone, my name is Sweden, and the country assigned to our team is Turkey. In this part, I'm going to talk about high content language, long-term orientation, some related business priorities, and the correction index. The first sign is high content language. Why people in Turkey will prefer using high content language in their business? That's because Turkey is a collectivist society. People in the country believe that the collective is more important than the individual, and they regard the collective as important as the family. So, harmonious relation is valued. In order to build harmonious relation, using the high content language will be the best choice. What will the leader do in such high content culture? Turkey, the leaders will prefer the verbal communication and personal face-to-face contact rather than written communication. So as a result, business lunch and dinner are popular. In addition, they do not like low content language because they think it will hurt their employees' feeling. The last side is long-term orientation. Turkey's economy has undergone some dramatic structural change. From the 19th and the 1980s, the Turkish economy transitioned from a central control system believed that dominated by state-owned enterprise import substitution, and the private sector has become a major market parasitic plan-based model. In addition, restructuring on the outside investor and companies has been easy. On the other hand, the liberalization of Turkish economy and its transition uh, free market has increased the interaction between Turkish nationals and the management from the Europe, Britain, and the US. So, as a result, the shared GDP of supplies in Turkey has risen to more than 40%. In addition, the levels of business activity are expected to increase, and that's the reason why the Turkey plans to join the EU by 2015. In the next slide, I will show two examples of related business practices are or are not acceptable in the Turkey and why. In Turkey, the interesting is nepotism may be accepted. Why? Because as I discussed before, Turkey is a collectivist society and it has a large number of family-owned enterprises. Family members are at the top of the many Turkish organizations, even they do not have enough skill, but it will not be the professional management. However, in the other hand, cheating is not really acceptable in Turkey. People in Turkey hate someone who cheating or hiding something to them when they are working together because they think this kind of behavior means not respect in to their relationship. The next slide will be the final slide. In the final slide, there have some chart and date of correction index of Turkey. First of all, there is a question: why or what make correction happen in Turkey? Because in the past, the political power is concentrated. The tendency to political leadership had weakened the ability of law enforcement agency to prosecute corruption and restrict the freedom of the press. So corruption is a big problem in Turkey. Now we can see this chart from 1995 to 2017. The point of correction index never lower than 14. and the highest point is 15 in 2017, 2013. These are what I plan to talk in my presentation. Thank you for watching.